traders, welcome back to the mini Thunderdome. Sorry here for a second, I need to check this out. It's got a all right. So I'm sorry that I'm not streaming this. Oh, it is the afternoon of well, not the afternoon, but still morning here. But we're getting close to close the cash market here. I'm negative. I'm gonna try to make my money back. I took a long break. I've been watching though, but I haven't taken any trades. Um, it is still October 16th, 2023. Had a tough morning, and now I'm just trying to make my money back here. So I'm going to try to scout my way into profits here. Not streaming this because even though I tell you guys not to follow my trades, I know that some of you guys do follow my trades. I've been trying to figure out what the market's been going on here. So I'm looking for a pullback here a little bit. But I still think the market is going to go and test 86. So I'm going to go for a scalp. Just going for a quick scalp to make my money back. Nothing else. Come on. Go, go, go. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Get me out, get me out. Okay, I am ready to drop this at entry. All right. Whew. I was ready to drop it. So I don't know if you have Ninja or not, but with Ninja, you could, on the chart, you could hold your stop or your entry, and you could hover wherever you want, and then you click and it drops. So I was ready to drop it, but the way it's volatile this morning, I could have gotten my ass kicked. So I'm just looking for a scalp. So I had this whole morning. You guys recall this was all support. So now I'm going to be looking for a short. I'm looking for a short. So either a short now, a short at 99. I sent you guys an email saying that I might go short at 86 or 96. I think we are here. All right, I'm going to take that short at 96. But it may start to move without me. All right, 95. I'm going to have to add my first target. All right. Wish I had more into this. But I'm going to go. I had a target this morning of 19. So I'm looking for sellers here. I need to be a little more here. So this could be an awesome trade. I may add two more here. Oh, 04. All right, I'm gonna add. I'm adding. So this could turn into a 5.9 or 5.6 risk versus reward. So here I am short at my 96. So it could all end at 72. It could end at 57. But I could be making this a bad day into a horrible day. Because they may have found buyers here to hold this 87. There's only 1 hour left of trading. It may not go down to 86, so I need to manage this trade fairly well. So I needed to stay under 07. Under 07. Depending on time here, I may have to either exit at 70. I have to exit at 70, or I may have to exit at 51. Ah, my lines disappeared. All right, I just made a box here. So I may have to exit somewhere in here, depending on time constraints. So I'm going with the rotations. I'm going with market being negative. The only problem I have with today's market is that it has turned from a discovery day. What is a discovery day? Is a day that the market is looking for new prices. So it's looking for a price check. So it's let's see, I don't think I could do that here. Is there a drawing tool? No, there's no drawing tool. So I'm just trying to draw a bell. Oh, you know what? Here, I'll use a box. So it turned in it. The market started out as a day of discovery to the downside. Just kept on going to the downside, downside, and then it turned into a sideways day, a day of in value trading. So then it started to go from the upper highs to lows, and then from the lower lows to high, and it just started to make a bell. So this is a bell shape, and it's just going up and down inside of this bell. So it is the hardest day to trade because we don't know where is the upper side or the lower side. We don't know where they decide, okay, we're done going up, now let's sell, or we are done going down, now let's buy. So it's the hardest day to trade. Come on, come on. So they're really trying to hold this 87 level, and they're also, so buyers are trying to hold 87 and sellers are trying to hold 40s and 50s. So buyers are buying the 80s all the way to 87, and sellers are selling the 50s and 40s. So sellers need to step in now. So depending on time, I may just go for a scratch. Otherwise, I'm looking to turn a horrible day into a 2,000 plus day. So again, I've had issues with going for long targets this morning. Gave back all of my money when I could have exited. I had plenty of opportunities to exit and just scalp. And that's what happens when the market is sideways. It starts to fake you out thinking that's going to go to these targets, and it doesn't. They go and flip on you because they go and find the outside and they trade in. Outside, outside in, outside in. So this may be the outside. So, and it looks like a flag pattern. Perfect flag pattern. So this here could be the outside. So outside in, and here I am stuck right in the middle. But I'm looking for a sellout at 87. So there's no more reports. Oh, there's something came out 20 minutes ago. I didn't see it. Israel military spokesman says visit by the president of the U.S. has a strategic importance. So it looks like Biden's going to go to Israel. Perfect time for Iran to go and shoot a nuclear bomb, right? Because they're saying they made $30 billion from selling oil to China because of Biden relaxed the oil embargo that we had with Iran. So I'm sure they had plenty of fuel to go and make some nuclear bombs. Oh, I gotta be careful what I say here because the owl goes on YouTube. All right, if I'm wrong on this trade, this market is gonna rip up and it's gonna go all the way back up to 30. All the way up here. Top of the bell. So if I'm wrong, then we should end somewhere around here. Running out of time for a big rip to the downside. It needs to get under 70 now. It needs to get under 70. I don't want to see it above 87. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Gotta reply to this email real quick. Ah, man. All right. Danger here. They may have found buyers. All right. We do have resistance. There's that 61 FIBO that it's at 07, and there's POC at 05. So this needs to turn into resistance right at the middle of this flag pattern or a bell shape. All right, guys, I need to go to the restroom real quick. I'm gonna keep this running. All right, I'm back. They need to protect this 87. Running out of time here. It may only go as far down as the bottom of the box here. All right. You shouldn't be checking your profits, but at 52, I'll be in the profits. I'll be what I was this morning when I should have just protected my profits instead of trading. Yeah, I mean, If I wasn't streaming at 1500, I would have been done. I would have been walking Benny at the beach. But because of streaming, I mean, I still work on myself. I get greedy. I get greedy. I it's a never-ending battle with having fear and getting greedy. That's what moves the market. So even after 35 years, I still have to battle with my ego, because that's your ego. You are afraid to lose money, or you want to make as much money as you can. But the whole thing is not to go and tilt, not to overtrade, not to. I mean, I could be going the size of my account. I could be short 10 contracts right now, even more. But I try to, okay, let's make my money back slowly. Because if it turns on you, you're toast. And it can, right? Especially now with all this geopolitical news, it could just turn on me. I mean, look at these. Look at these huge rippers of 10, 15 points. I can give myself a little more room here. So if I exit at 50, I'm looking at a 1.7 risk versus reward, because now I raised my stop. But if it goes above 8, most likely I'll exit. But just in case it just does a rip up and tries to go and test 11. I'm running out of time here. So usually at 11 o'clock it starts to move. Lunch is over, East Coast and Chicago. So usually it starts to make a big move. But I would like to be under 70. So there's some General Motors and Ford contract negotiation out. I don't know if that would affect oil or not. Usually it's when it has to deal with batteries would affect, but it is a car maker, right? So car makers. Here we go, boys and girls. Need to hot knife 80 and then 70. Again, this may stop at 70. It may stop at 52. Depending on time, I may exit at 52. But I have had issues with not exiting on the first target, and it has turned on me every time. So I have 3 targets on this short. First is 70, and then 52, and then 21. So I want to get under that flag pattern, the triangle. Don't want to find any buyers at 70, but I have a feeling it might pull back. But what I would like to see, so with this move down, I would like to see it bounce off of 82 and then go and test 90 and then rip all the way to 70 or further. Don't want to see any buyers here at 90. All right, there's interest at 80. There are 41 orders at 80 and half is institutional. More than half. So a big player's either trying to fake buys at 80 or it's trying to go short at 80 or there's actually a buy. So nothing in the books is ever, on stone, in stone, however you want to say it. Nothing is concrete. Only concrete thing is a market order. Everything else could all be a fake out. Could be ghosting. All right, there's energy and power news out. What is it? Pemex Deer Park, Texas refinery. Large crude unit shut, according to news. These usually don't really move the market unless it's like a fire or an explosion. But shutdowns don't really move the market because it's a local thing. If it was like a major U.S. shutdown, then yes. So refinery is down, no big deal. Well, looks like buyers are trying to step in at 90. I think they're going to come in with a huge sell order. That's my observation. Either a huge sell or a huge buy, but something big is going to happen. All right, 8 minutes to the top of the hour. I wish I had enough nerve to add 2 more here, but again, I don't want to make a bad day into a horrible day, but it could be an adding opportunity here. But if I'm wrong on the short, this market is going to rip up pretty bad. It's going to go all the way up to 31. So if I'm wrong on the short, it would be a long at 87 all the way up to at least 30. So if I was streaming live right now, again, if you just, well, I'm not, no one's going to catch this. So I was going to say if I was streaming live, I would have said, I was going to say if you jump in this recording now, but you wouldn't jump in halfway, right? You'd be in the beginning. Make sure my sound is on. All right, here we go. Again, I'm expecting a big move here at top of the hour. Either rip up or rip down. I just hope it doesn't stop at 70. I mean, at 70, I think I'll be profitable. At 70, yeah, I'll be about couple of hundred profitable. So I may, depending on time, I may just scratch this trade. I mean, scratch the day. But if I see it pick up momentum, what happened with ES at 10:20? 10:20. Oh, the Israeli president news made the market drop 46, about 20 points. Wow. ES is ripping. All of it, they're ripping today. 400 on the YM. Here it is. Here's that rip up. The sellers need to step in. Don't want to see an 08. All right, let me remove this. We already know that we are inside of a flag pattern, a bell shape. This could be the fake out. They could be trapping buyers here. I'm expecting a big rip to the downside. 30 points like that. Or it could be the 30 points up. So here's that long that I said that it could happen from here all the way up to 30. So what I'm seeing is that the market, it opened out of balance and then it checked the upper balance of Friday and it rejected to be under that. So if we can't get under 50, that means that tomorrow will be a long day. It will be a bullish day. So there may be a long opportunity in the aftermarket. ETH. So if you guys don't know, ETH does not stand for extended trading hours. It's electronic trading hour. So some people get that mixed up and they think it's extended hours. No, it's not extended. Extended would mean that the market is closing later, and it's not. It's when it goes into Globex. So it's electronic trading hours. There's a lot of people who get that mixed up. If you don't believe me, go to CME website and you'll see for yourself. But don't waste your time. Trust me. And then RTH is regular trading hours. which is the cash pit. All right, here we go, guys. Come on, here comes that rip. Top of the hour. Let's see what happens here. I'm expecting a huge sell-off. All right, hopefully you guys watch this video. It's already 36 minutes. Apologize for not streaming this live. But again, I don't want to add any more losses to anybody. Here we go. Here we go. Here's that rip. Come on, baby. Come on. All right. I'm going to have to reduce my risk and just assume that I was completely wrong about everything, and that's it. So either 70, between 72 and 70, the low 50s, or 21. You know, I'm going to go for 29. I think they're trapping. I think it's a trap. If it's not a trap, it would be a long all the way to 30. I just had some oil news, and this may change everything. U.S. total shale regions oil. U.S. total shale regions oil production for November is seen down. So this could be buying because there's less supply. This may have screwed up my trade. So less supply means that prices go up. More supply, prices go down. Tough day, man. Up and down, up and down. All right, running out of time here. All right, now looking good. I'm gonna give myself 2 more ticks here. It looks like they're trying to block 10. But if I wasn't so negative, I needed to be above 19. That's where I should be. Yeah, running out of time. So instead of seeing the rip down, it was a rip up. So that long trade was the trade. What a shit day. Sorry for the cussing. Yeah, running out of time. We're above that 61 FIBO. It's going to take me out. Yeah, I can't move it anymore. Only thing I have going, if this here turns into a wave 2 or an ABC down to go all the way to 70. So that's the only thing I have going. That is the only thing I have going. I'm tempted to add here. I still think they are faking me out. But I don't want to go into tilt. Yeah, I still think it's a fake out. And we'll see at 90 if it goes back to 90 right here. We'll see if there's any buyers here. So I'm sticking to my trade. I'm sticking to my targets. I'm sticking to my trade. I'm being patient. These guys do mess with us and they do trap us. Right, I'm running out of time. I'm going to go and raise this to 60, 62. So we're seeing signs that it's rejecting staying above 87. So if that is the case, it's going to rip. It should have challenged 19 on this move up. From here, it should have challenged 19. It should have gone at least to 19. So I said long over here at 07, right? So in this move up, it should have gone all the way to 19 and pull back from 19 instead of 12. So again, it could be a trap. But we are running out of time. Running out of time. Yeah, sideways market. Most dangerous time to be trading. So it looks like they found buyers at the bottom of that triangle. So now it could even be from here. So I don't suggest trading past 11:30, but we may have a move because of ES and all of the other indexes. So the market crude may start to correlate with them after hours. So after it closes, sometimes there's a correlation and it moves off of them. So if there are big moves on the other indexes, so if I'm wrong on this, it's going to go and tag 19 first, and then it will tag 30. "19 minutes left." Need to be under 96. So market made new lows. It didn't make any new highs because the overnight high is 33. The RTH stopped at 88.05, so it didn't like 88, but also it's not liking being under 87. But we do have an overnight high of 33. I actually had a short order at 88.50 in the overnight. Was it 50 or 49? I can't remember. It was either 54, 50, or 49. I had a short order. Well, here comes the buying. Come on. We got to rip right through 07. And then we need sellers to start puking at 92. I'm going to give myself a little more room here. 17, but should be above 19. But if it goes to 19, it'll pull back to 10, and then it will do 30. So I'm just trying to protect a little small ABC here. And there it is. Take me out. All right. I'm going to go for it. Let's see if I get lucky, but I'm running out of time. If it's not, I don't try not to be stuck on a short bias, but it's what I'm seeing. It's not that, oh, I know it's going short. No, it's what the market is showing. The biggest rips are to the downside. Market rejected 50, it rejected 88. We did see it go under 87. I think the only issue is that out of time. It's now or never. Yeah, they're buying. Wow. Complete reversal. Let's see if there's a sell lot at 19. But it'll probably, if there is, it'll take me out and then drop. All right, now it's starting to look like a horrible day. And I'm out of time. All right, I'm going to raise my exit to 73. At least I'll scratch the day. But I'll be negative commission. They're trying to sell, but it's getting absorbed. $12 minutes left. And it's gonna get pretty volatile here at the end. It may. All right, I'm gonna have to give myself a little more room here. It might get pretty volatile. Yeah, this is gonna hurt. I'll be 2,500 negative. Not what I want to see on a Monday. I'm right at FIBO. I need to give myself 2 more ticks. And there I am, right at target, right at 30, right? Oh, wow. Someone cleared a lot of trades. Someone's clearing trades and it's getting absorbed. It may start a chain reaction here. A lot of clearing of trades. Come on, Snowball, let's go. We're running out of time. It's going to give volatile. I need a sellout. We're right at the top of that flag. We are at a maximum 2. So in this time frame, this is a wave 2 right here. Actually, a little lower here. This is a wave 2. Actually, there's a little bit right there. So we're at maximum 2. Okay, here comes maybe that sell-off. Obviously, we need to get under 87. We're at FIBO 61. So we need to hot knife FIBO 61, which is at 08. Then we need to hot knife both VWAP and POC were at 87, but POC just raised to 05. So this is the most traded area of the RTH. Eight minutes left. Let's see if we can get a sell out here. So it could all stop at 84 or it can go to 70. If I get out at 84, I'll be about 800 negative, which is not bad. Better than the 1500 I was. Here comes the sell-off. So I don't know if I want to go into the electronic trading hour here, but it looks like the ES is trying to sell off a little bit also. Here we are right through. What did I tell you guys? These guys, they do play tricks on us. Yep. So market rejected 87. Market rejected 87. It was all fluff. Oh, man. Don't know what to do. Don't know if I should go for my 52. Had issues with being greedy all day. It's going to go to target. but how much further down, I don't know. Look at that. All right, I'm just going to take the scratch. I'll be happy with scratch. Okay, so they could all stop here. Oh, I'm going to bring my stop down. Man, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. All right, I'm going to take a chance here, but I am going to monitor this right at the top of the hour, but I am torn here. I don't know. Watch it go 270 and bounce. 5 minutes till close. I should just take the scratch. Oh, go, 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 go! Holy crap! Ho, ho, ho! Oh, here's that 70. What I tell you guys. I'm out at 62. Give me out, give me out, give me out, give me out, give me out. Get it, hit it, go, 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 go. Yes! Hit it! Yes! Yes! I am profitable. Not by much. See what I tell you guys? They play tricks. Oh my God, that is insane. Huh? You gotta follow not only your instincts, but your game plan. I knew these guys were gonna play tricks on me. Just had a feeling. Just had, experience. Wow. Sell off right at the close. Trapped a whole bunch of buyers. There are a whole bunch of buyers just puking out and just adding to their trades. Wow. That is insane. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Way to go. And that note, I am done. Because the market is going to end. I'm positive. And it will probably go sideways. And it will probably be right here. It will probably close somewhere here. Somewhere here. Wow. I do not want to see my 52 or my 19. I'll be heartbroken. Oh my God. That is insane. I'm glad I moved that stop up. I am glad. Wow. Hey, have your target. See what the market was showing me. The market was showing me that most of the rotations were all to the downside. The market was negative. It failed to go above 50. It kept on testing 90. But I could have been wrong, and all of this could have been support. But this was all fake out. All fake out. And boom, sell off. All right, on that note, I am done. I am done. All right, guys. I'll catch you in the morning. Thank you for watching. Oh, my God. It's going to go again. It's going to go all the way down to 28. Oh, I'm tempted to add. I'm tempted to take a one here. A one lot. No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to. Nope. Nope. I made my money back. I'm done. All right, guys. I'm done. You have to practice self-control. Even though I could be right and it could be going down. We are at the end of cash pit. I don't want to take a chance on having to deal with all of that again. I'm lucky that I made my money back. Not lucky. I had my strategy. I had my targets. So not luck. I stuck to my trade. I was not stuck on the short bias as I took longs, but overall I knew that today was gonna be a short day, and here it is. I think it's gonna go. So it might go at least to 47. Here it is, my 60, and it's gonna go to my 52. Yep, they're ripping down. Right at the bottom of my box. Oh, bummer. Yeah, they're selling. It's going. It's gonna go. Oh well, at least I feel that I was able to see what the market was showing me, even though they were trying to fake me out. All right, I'm done. All right, guys. I'll see you guys live in the Thunderdome. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.